Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on equivalent fractions. So equivalent means they're equal to each other. So how can you model the second representation to be equivalent to the first fraction representation? Well, what we want to do is shade the same amount of space. So the shading's not going to change. Now, in the first one, it was 3 out of 4. And the second one is 6 out of 8. So 3 is your part size, 4 is your part total. It's also known as your numerator and denominator. That means the same thing. These are equivalent to each other. I can prove to you if you scale 3 by 2 and you scale 4 by 2. Why did I do that? Sorry. Oops. Scale 3 by 2, you end up with 6. Scale 4 by 2, you end up with 8. All right, for this one, the same thing. We want to shade the same amount of space. And so this was 1 out of 2. This one becomes 4 out of 8. Now, my greatest common factor, if I started off with 4 eighths and I wanted to go down, simplify, I would divide by 4, and I ended up with 1/2. I tell my students you don't have to worry if you don't know your greatest common factor. I mean, if you want to start dividing by 2 or 3, whatever works, that's okay, as long as you get it into the simplest terms. Even though this video is not about simplifying, I just wanted to throw that out there. All right, so here's where we'll skip count. So I do recommend kind of making like railroad tracks to keep it organized. I'm going to write the first multiple. You multiply by 1, and then now we're going to skip count. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and then skip count my 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So in other words, 5 over 15 is equivalent to 1/3. 3/9 is also equivalent to 1/3. Okay, so this just helps you when you need to get a common denominator, and I have found that this way kids are really working with it. All right, for this one, I recommend you pause the video, try to do it yourself, and then answer the question in the comments. The video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Sorry.